Shopping online for international shoppers can be complicated and restrictive. But that should not stop you from shopping Black Friday sales or any other jaw-dropping offers. Introducing comGateway, a shipping solution that lets you ship goods bought from U.S. retail sites to your location, anywhere in 220 countries. Here's how it works. Register with us and get a local USA address. Shop online and use that address for delivery. Once the goods are delivered at comGateway's warehouse, we will ship the goods to your location within 3 to 8 days. That's it. You can even keep the goods in our warehouse for a maximum of 30 days. That allows you to consolidate multiple purchases and send them out as one single shipment, saving you on both fees and other shipment costs. What's more is we can repack based on your product type and size. We will need your approval for this though. If your card is not an available payment option, you can use the BuyForMe service, where we buy your products for you. comGateway has a host of other features to make your international shopping experience transparent, smooth, and utterly satisfying, so you can get all the products you want in reality. comGateway. Shop smarter with more stores and more savings. Visit our website to know more.